I'm coming. All right. So yeah, man. I'm just doing what I do, living my life, and at the moment. So I'm gonna see you later. JK, I'm joking. But I'll get back to you guys. I'll get back to you guys. Alright. Back again. Alright. So I'ma just dip. Yeah, I'm using a GoPro. Why not? Fuckhead. Huh? For YouTube, recording. Be outside, alright? Hey, Mom. Be outside. Alright. Love me, Marjorie. Me, Marjorie is beautiful. I love her a lot, for real. So here's the car. My car, as you can see. It's all wet. It's freaking dawn in the morning. Sunrise. My brother's car doesn't look that wet. My dad's car looks wet, but not that wet. My car looks wet for some reason, like super wet. Well, I guess it's the same. And then my German Palestine license plate. German looking Palestine. I just love my car. You know what I'm saying? Pretty soon, if I'm able to, what was it that I was trying to get? I'm gonna try to get a racing chair. Racing bucket chairs. Or a Recaro, a Sparko, something like that. Or just a knockoff version. That kind of doesn't spend that much money on a chair. That's what I do. I got my keys on me so I can show you what's in my car. I put a system in my car. Got 2 12 woods in my car. Sounds a piece. This car's chilling. There's a point where it was like that much away from the garage, literally. So this park is so behind me. But my sister's car is a small size, she's SC430. So that's like, why would that even be a problem? I just did these roads just in case, because we got a Sequoia as well, and that thing is huge. That thing is 10 times bigger than my car. So yeah, I was gonna show you this, but forget about it for a second because I started talking. Here's my third 4.3 liter V8, 4.6 liter V8, 1.5 liter 4-cylinder. Yeah, man, this 4-cylinder beat both of these cars. Not really, I wish. Pretty much a car for style. To hook up, style instead of trying to make it fast. If you try to make a car that goes fast, seriously, what is the point of trying to make a car like that fast? I'll still do it, because you won't expect that car being fast. Either way, if it's hooked up to the max, you still wouldn't expect it to have turbo and stuff like that. You'd probably expect it more if it wasn't hooked up. It wasn't slammed, and it had some beautiful ass rims on it. Had that camber. Stance though, hella flush, living cockroach movie. I'll show you the picture. Find the picture. Find the picture. Oh, okay. Okay. Well, I found the picture. I don't know if you guys can see this. Let me hide my brightness. See, this one's huge. Didn't get a new phone. Get a smaller phone. I don't want a smaller phone. Okay, so this is the picture that I took yesterday. Look how on the side of my window, there's a huge cockroach just sitting on my window. Like literally, it was chilling there when I took the picture. It didn't even want to move when I took that picture though. So, yeah, eat, sleep, Lexus. My car's behind it, as you can see. That was literally last night. I was supposed to leave before I go to school, but I never ended up going to school. See, look how light her tints are. Like, oh my god. Compared to my tints, you can't even see through the tints on it now. Well, I could. I can barely see through the tints because, you know, it's amazing what the tints could do to a car, you know what I'm saying? I love it. I like her somehow. I get chills sometimes when I think about that. I'm bored as hell still. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a tour of my car. Okay. I did a small tour. Music to this video for my car. This is my track hero sticker I got from the car room. Free. So don't say, oh, I didn't buy it. It was free. So I put my Clean Society sticker. Super wet right now. Sticker I got. Sticker ball myself. Shopper sticker. Yeah, the shopper. Instagram that shit. Got to. Car about to leave. Look. I'm not drunk. I'm just avoiding potholes. 100,000 miles plus. And fish. Japanese fish. Correct. You got, what is this called? What are these called? What are these called? Midnight. There's Toyota sign on his belly. I found a better sticker. I ordered who was a gas mask. Who's a beast gas mask with the Toyota sign on his belly. Damn. That's good. We got my steering wheel right there. Got my bubble shifter in there. Got my water bottle in there.